Welcome to Tinkerdoodle DIY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to train a TTS model with your own voice. You can already tell that this speaking voice is not from myself, but synthesized by the model I trained. So the model showed just now was trained using a 10 minutes long audio and trained on my own machine for about 10 hours. And you can do the same thing with your own voice, just following this notebook. So the purpose of this video is just to give you a very easy way to train your own voice model. And I'm not going to drill down into lots of the technical details, which I'm going to cover in a future video. Okay, so for this time, just follow the steps here. You can download this notebook to run on your own Jupyter Notebook, or you can run this Jupyter Notebook with Google Colab. But make sure you have GPU either on your own machine or on the Google Colab machine. Yeah, so the first of few steps are just install the needed packages, and you need a few tools for the audio pre-processing. And so know that for this training, we're using the Coqui TTS Python package. And since we're training our own voice model using small amount of data, we need to do the training on top of an existing pre-trained model. For this one, we're going to use the LG speech model here. And this command just download the pre-trained model. The next cell pre-process the audio. So for your input, please name it as either input.mp3 or input.wave. Either way works. So this cell basically try to denoise the video to separate the vocal part versus the no vocal part. And after that, it combines multiple voice channels into one and convert the format into the required PCM format required by the training pipeline. And after that, we use the OpenAI or the OpenAI Whisper model to transcript the audio file. Alternatively, you can provide the transcript from, if you're using a YouTube video, you can get the transcript from YouTube. After that, we have a small script to segment the training data into multiple small pieces, each within about like 10 seconds long. And with that, we can feed the training data into the training pipeline. If you're running this notebook on your own machine, then I strongly recommend you to run the training command separately from the command line instead of from within the notebook, because the training is going to be running for a long time, like from 12 hours up to a few days. If you run from command line, it will generate lots of output. Okay, so yeah, after that, you can run the following command to call the Coqui TTS tool to check out the voice quality of the trained model. The trained model, you can find them under the trainer output folder. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for future updates. If you train your own model following this tutorial, let me know how it goes.